In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Typeform account. Whether you're looking to declutter your digital space or you've simply decided Typeform is no longer for you, this guide will walk you through the entire process. It's important to approach this task with care, as deleting your account means saying a final goodbye to everything stored within it. To get started, you'll want to log in to your Typeform account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your workspace where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this will bring up a menu where you'll want to select your settings. Sometimes, you might also find a direct link labeled Account Settings, which makes this step even simpler. After accessing your settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a crucial option labeled Delete My Account. Clicking this option is the key step in setting off the deletion process, but there's one more hurdle before you're done. Next, Typeform will prompt you to authenticate your action. To proceed, click on Authenticate. This is where the multi-factor authentication process kicks in. You might see an option to set things up if you haven't done so before. In this case, follow the instructions provided. As part of this security measure, you'll be sent a verification code via email. Click Send me the code, then check your email inbox for this code. Once you have it, return to the Typeform process and enter the verification code when asked. This adds an extra layer of security to ensure it's really you making this request. After successfully entering the code, you'll find yourself on a confirmation screen. This is essentially the point of no return. If you're absolutely sure about deleting your account, click Delete Everything. This will permanently remove your account along with all its forms and data. Remember, should you hesitate or decide against it, you have the option to cancel at this stage. Before you go ahead and delete, keep some key points in mind. Once the deletion process is complete, your data cannot be recovered. Typeform does not have any backups or options for account restoration. It's gone for good. If you signed up using a Google or Microsoft account without setting up a separate password, reach out to Typeform support. They can assist you in obtaining a password you'll need for the deletion process. Additionally, if you currently have an active paid subscription, consider canceling or downgrading your plan beforehand. This precaution can help you avoid unexpected charges or billing complications in the future. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to deleting your Typeform account. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll navigate the process smoothly. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you manage your digital presence to your liking.